Mascardo Nelson Brigham S. With high honors. He will also receive the following awards: CBIF Chess Club and Perfect Attendance Awards. Nambata Thea Venice D. With high honors. She will also receive the following awards: Best in Creative Nonfiction, Habalog Children's, the Flame Staff, and Loyalty Awards. Namo Erich Francis N. with high honors.
With high honors, he will also receive fellow awards.